The IE900 IEMs are best for listeners who prioritize deep textured bass without sacrificing clarity in the mids and the highs. So perfect if you're into electronic music, hip hop, or really anything with that complex low-end production. To ensure that you get that accuracy across the entire frequency range, Sennheiser employed an acoustic venting system as an acoustic back volume. It's essentially a small chamber within a chamber that's tuned to manage the slope and amplitude of the bass lift. The overall direction and volume of air are controlled as it moves through the transducer system, achieving that distortion-free sound at even high volumes. The IE900's design is simple with gray and black accents, and it boasts a really comfortable snug fit.